Airport delays are generally caused by the fact that we have system effects that are going on. And what I mean by that is that we have a system by which all of that is not well coordinated, meaning that we have a system that doesn't support someone being able to go push off from the gate and then be able to go directly to the runway, taxi, get off, and then when they land, actually taxi right into the gate without ever touching the brakes.
Red on the left.
It's excited.
I'm excited.
Remaining. 3,000 remaining.
100.
2,000 remaining.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Flaps. Flaps.
$40. $30.
Long landing. Long landing.
4,000 feet remaining. 2,000 remaining.
That was fun. And it may appear to you that we're lined up on a taxiway, but we'll scoot over before we get to the approach end.
Contact direct altimeter 2992, transition for Zuzu Coast.
Caution, taxiway. Caution, taxiway.
Oh. $100. All right, we're out of here.